Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome sa ating channel. Okay, so bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about subtraction of dissimilar fractions. Okay, so example number 1 agad tayo. So 3 over 5 minus 4 over 7. Okay, so i-rewrite ko muna ha. 3 over 5 minus 4 over 7. So, since hindi pareho ang kanilang denominator, kasi nga ito ay subtraction of dissimilar fraction. So, kapag hindi pareho, kunin lang natin yung kanilang LCD. Dapat si LCD ay ma-divide sa 5 at saka ma-divide sa 7. So, yung LCD natin is 35. I-multiply mo na lang yung dalawa. Okay, so 35, i-divide natin kay 5 times 3. Okay, so parang ganon. So 35, i-divide natin kay 5, i-multiply natin kay positive 3. Kopyahin natin yung minus sign. Tapos 35, divide by 7, multiply natin kay 4. Okay? Next, sa baba tayo konti. So 35 divided by 5, that is 7. Multiply natin kay 3, that is 21. Okay? Tapos, minus 35 divided by 7, that is 5. Multiply natin kay 4, that is 20. Okay? Tapos, over 35, yung LCD natin. So, 21 minus 20, that is 1 over 35. So, this is your final answer. Okay? So, proceed tayo sa ating example number 2. So, 4 over 9 minus 5 over 6. So, yung LCD natin dito ay 54. I-multiply na lang natin si 9 at saka si 6. So, 54 divide natin kay 9. I-multiply natin kay 4. Minus LCD ng 54, i-divide natin kay 6. I-multiply natin kay 5. Then equals, so 54 divided by 9, that is 6, multiplied by 4 is 24, minus 54 divided by 6, that is 9, multiply natin kay 5, that is 45, over 54. So, hindi pareho ang kanilang sign, so i-subtract natin yan. Okay, so yung sign natin dito is negative kasi nga mas malaki si 45. Compare natin kay 24. So, negative. So, i-minus na lang na. Okay, so 1, 2. So, 21. Or negative 21 over 54. So, pwede pa ma-reduce ito. So, divide natin. Try natin divide by 3. Divide by 3. So, negative 7 over 18. Try ko lang ha. 24. 5. Okay, 18. So, negative 7 over 18. Ito na yung final answer natin sa number 2. So, number 3. Negative 5, 8 minus negative 2 over 7. So, yung LCD is 56. Multiply lang. So, 56, divide natin kay 8, i-multiply natin kay negative 5. Minus, LCD na 56, divide natin kay 7, i-multiply natin kay 2. Okay? Then, si 56 divide by 8, that is 7, multiply kay negative 5, so negative 35. Minus, 56 divide natin kay 7, that is 8. Okay? Multiply kay 2 is 16. Over 56, yung LCD. Huwag kalimutan yan. So, since pareho yung kanilang sign, ang gagawin natin dyan, i-add natin yan, then kopyahin natin yung kanilang common sign na negative. So, this is 11. Then, 3, 4, 5, 51. So, negative 51 over 56. So, kapag ma-reduce, i-reduce. Pag hindi na, huwag na natin pilitin. So, ito na yung final answer natin. Next, number 4. Negative 6 over 7 minus negative 5 over 8. So, yung LCD agad natin dito is 56. Dapat si 56 may divide sa 7 at saka may divide sa 8. So, 56, divide natin kay 7. Naisa kadali. Naisa kadali. Multiply natin kay 6. Sinsya na po, may ano lang, disturbo. Minus, si 56, i-divide natin kay 8. I-multiply natin kay negative 5. Okay, so equals 56 divided by 7, that is 8. Multiply kay negative 6, so negative 48. Okay, so minus 56 divided by 8, that is 7. Multiply kay negative 5, so negative 35. I-divide natin sa LCD na 56. Okay, ngayon, i-apply naman natin itong rule sa subtraction. Okay, kapag mag-subtract tayo, we have to change the sign of the subtrahend and proceed to addition. So, first, kopyahin muna natin si 48 or negative 48. Then, itong negative dyan, magiging positive yan kasi mag-proceed tayo ng addition. At saka itong negative 35, mag-change tayo ng sign dyan. Kasi change the sign of the subtrahend, then proceed to addition. So, this is plus, tapos positive 35 over 56 yung LCD. Okay, so hindi pareho na naman yung kanilang denominator. And take note, mas malaki si 48 compare natin kay 35. So, this is negative. So, i-subtract na lang natin yan. Okay, so 8 minus 5, that is 3. Tapos 1. So, 13 or negative 13 over 56. So, ito na yung final answer natin sa ating number 4 example. Next, number 5, our last example. Negative 7, 8, or negative 7 over 8 minus negative 5. Ay, no. Sorry. Minus 5 over 9. Okay? So, yung LCD natin, multiply lang natin yan. So, that is 72. Dapat si 72 ma-divide sa 8 at saka ma-divide sa 9. Okay? So, 72, divide natin yan kay 8. I-multiply natin kay negative 7. Minus, okay, 72, divide natin kay 9. I-multiply natin kay 5. Okay? Continue tayo sa baba. So, 72 divided by 8, that is 9. Okay, times negative 7, that is negative 63. Minus 72 divided by 9, that is 8. Okay, times 5, that is 40. Over 72, yung LCD. Okay, since, same sign. So, kapag the same sign, ang gagawin natin dyan, add natin yan and kopyahin natin yung common sign nila. Then, i-add. So, 3, then 10. Or negative 103 over 72. So, this is improper fraction, di ba? So, pwede nating i-change yan or i-rename into mixed number. So, alisin na lang natin yung negative para mas madali para sa inyo, ha? Okay, so, 103 divided by 72. So, that is 1. So, 72. 1. Tapos, 3 or 31. So, this is negative 1 kasi negative yan. Mag-divide tayo ng unlike sign. The result is negative. So, negative 1 and 31 over 72. Ayusin ko lang, ha. Negative 1, 31 over 72. So, ito yung improper fraction. Ito yung mixed number. Okay, so maraming salamat sa panunood at pakikinig. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, pakisubscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.